Hi, I'm Kathy, and in this video, I'm going to share information about our Psychiatric Mental Health Nursing Flashcard Deck, second edition. This deck is so important for both nursing students and nurses. So in nursing school, this deck will absolutely help you with your psychiatric mental health exams, but it will also help you with all of your other exams, including your exit exam and the NCLEX. Because throughout nursing school and on the NCLEX, you will always get questions about therapeutic communication, and that is a key feature in this deck. Then as a practicing nurse, you will encounter patients with mental health disorders during every one of your shifts, okay? So knowing the signs and symptoms, how those mental health disorders are treated, and how to care for those patients is going to be really important. And then if you're working on a behavioral health unit, this deck, of course, will be vital for understanding all of the key concepts you need to know for mental health nursing. So let's talk about how this deck is organized. It is broken into three parts. The first part deals with some of the principles of mental health nursing. The second part deals with therapies. So this includes pharmacological as well as non-pharmacological therapy. We have included medications in this deck, so if you have our pharmacology second edition flashcards, you'll notice that the same medications that deal with psychiatric mental health disorders are in both decks, but we included it here so that everything you need for mental health nursing is in one place. And then the last section of this deck deals with mental health disorders. So let's take a look at a few cards so you can get a feel for what they look like, and I will point out some of the key features. Here's an example of one of the cards in the deck, and you'll notice that some of the text is in bold and red, and you'll also notice this key point icon here at the bottom to let you know that these are particularly important concepts or facts that you definitely need to know. Here's an example of one of the medication cards in the deck, and you'll see our cool chicken icon here. Anytime you see this little guy, he is pointing out a mnemonic or fun way to remember some of the key information. And then you'll also notice on this card that we have this key point icon, more bold red text. So again, that is designating that that information is particularly important to know. I hope this preview has been helpful and that you love the deck. So take care and good luck studying.